Hi everyone, so we're here for another edition of our Pasay Baller. We're here to discuss yung second game naman, prediction for today's PBA game. Bakbakang matindi to, Meralco Bolts versus Barangay Ginebra. Ilang beses nagtagpo to sa finals, previously. And Ginebra is blazing hot right now with 2 wins and 0 loss. While Meralco is at 1-1, but they're coming off a very good win against Northport. What's gonna happen second game to. So that's around 6:45 or 7 o'clock, depende kung anong oras patapos yung first game. Please don't be deceived by the odds that are being given. If you can take a look there, masyadong mataas yung sa Meralco. Hindi po siya ganun kadali for Ginebra. Ginebra has the advantage on this, but it won't be that easy the way odds are actually, presenting themselves. Meralco is it has always been a tough team. Whatever happens, and kung kahit sino man yung kalaban nila, you can take a look at their backcourt. They have Chris Newsom, and they have Chris Newsom, they have Quinto, they have and for their bigs, they have Hugnatan. And ang intindi ko is that for the first 2 games, itong si Almazan, medyo limited minutes nila because really they're wanting to let Almazan play his usual minutes mamaya. So makikita din natin yan kung paano and kung gaano ka-effective si Raymond Almazan dito. Magigil din to si Almazan for sure kasi last time, di ba, na-injure siya during finals, and so yeah, it's a kumbaga redemption time. So going at the other side, again, Ginebra wala na po si Slaughter, di ba? He went out of the country after the non-renewal of his contract, and then right now tulungan ang nangyayari. Pero there's one highlight of this team right now, and it's Vince the Prince Caperal. Sorry. It's Vince the Prince season, but yun nga, sabi nga nila, sinapian daw ni Vince season. Kung yung mga Ginebra fans talaga dyan, kilala niyo yun, yung mga medyo bata-bata, di yung nabutan yun. But Prince Caperal shot magnificent percentage in 3 points nung last game nila against Blackwater. Blackwater actually tried to come back, but again, Prince Caperal had very good shooting and had very clutch 3-point shooting. Kaya na-seal nila yung game. They're now at 2-0. Paganda kasi sa Ginebra, hindi lang naman si Caperal yung gumagawa. May mga papudyot-pudyot kay Jared Dallinger, yung sa rookie nilang Arvin Tolentino, and of course, yung mga usual performance nila like Mariano and then Scotty Thompson. Question mark pa rin how effective Japet would be in Tenorio kasi last time halos hindi talaga pa rin sila makaporma. Mamaya I'm sure they would be inspired and they would want to perform well and better than last time. So we'll see what's gonna happen. My free pick on this one, it will be Barangay Ginebra still. Alam ko, sabi ko, it won't be that easy. Yeah, it won't be that easy. Hindi ito tambakan, hindi ito because Meralco doesn't stop playing. Kaya tambakan mo ng 20 yan, hahabol yan. It's gonna be Barangay Ginebra still, money line. That's the free pick for today. So hopefully mag 2-0 lead din tayo today. And let's see. And again, if you didn't see the first video for the first game, yung heads up ko lang sa ating lahat, yung mga nagko-comment, for those who felt like hindi ko na re-replyan, I tried doing that yesterday and the other days. Hindi pala nakakapag-comment pag hindi naman siya nakakapag-subscribe. Kasi nakita ko nung nare-replyan ko yung mga subscribers, nagpo-post naman. So yeah, sorry kung hindi ako maka-reply. If you want to, you can just subscribe, diba? Wala namang pilitan, but you can just subscribe para masagot ko minsan yung ibang tanong. But another ask is if you guys have some time, you can just visit our Facebook page as well. Pasay Baller din yung pangalan. You can like it there or you can follow so that you can send me messages through Messenger for those who got further questions. But again, my free pick for second game, Ginebra versus Meralco. I know normally it's a tough one at talagang kontrapelo ng Meralco ang Ginebra, but for today it's gonna be Ginebra going 3-0 and Meralco will go down 1 and 2. So again, responsible gaming lang po tayo. Message lang kung sino magme-message, and enjoy the day. It's a Sunday. Don't fail to be with your family and with your loved ones, and don't fail to drop by the mass and some services. Marami pong salamat. Please follow the page. Please subscribe, and kung pa pwede pakishare na rin po sa mga sports fans natin dyan. Peace out, fast I love, and